What's the meaning of accomplice? Accomplice. 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 An accomplice is a person who knowingly helps another person commit a crime. The accomplice can be held just as liable for the crime as the person who actually committed it. Accomplices can be found in all sorts of crimes, from petty theft to murder. They can be friends, family members, or even strangers. In some cases, people may be unwittingly become accomplices to a crime, such as when they provide a false alibi for someone who is later convicted of a crime. Here are some examples of how the word accomplice can be used in a sentence. The police arrested the two accomplices to the bank robbery. The judge sentenced the accomplice to the same prison term as the person who committed the crime. The woman was found guilty of being an accomplice to her husband's murder.